Hey guys, this is Cambridge English teacher Rory from studentlanguages.com. I'm just sitting here in my apartment in Granada. It's the 19th of July 2018 and I've been making a lot of videos recently about courses that I'm making, video courses, specifically structured around the first certificate and the Cambridge English Advanced exam. But I've also decided I want to start video blogging my travels and taking videos from various places as I go, because you guys might find that interesting, I hope, because I'm going to some fairly cool places like Granada, which is a city that I absolutely love in the south of Spain. It's amazing. But I also wanted to make these videos useful for you guys. So I've come up with what I'm calling a phrasal verb challenge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and release a new video, at least one new video every week. And I've actually found this, I've found the PDF version of Ready for First, that's Ready for First workbook online. And in the Ready for First workbook, it's an old edition, but on page 122, there is a phrasal verb list. So these are all the phrasal verbs that are going to be really useful for the B2 first. That's the Cambridge English First Certificate FCE exam. So what I'm going to try and do is to explain these phrasal verbs to you, explain what they mean to you in a fun and interactive way. So I'm going to take a few of these and work my way down the list here. So they're all really important for the exam. I'm going to take a few of them every day and I'm going to try and explain what they are in a real life context. So this evening I've decided, it's 7 o'clock, I've just gone 7 o'clock now, I've just finished teaching for the day, and I think I'm going to go for a walk out in Granada to something called the Alhambra. Now the Alhambra is a magical place, it's amazing, so hopefully I'll get some footage of that for you when I'm walking out and about, and I'm going to try and use some of these phrasal verbs along my walk. So keep watching the rest of this video, and you'll see some of these useful phrasal verbs used in a real life context, I hope, while at the same time seeing some amazing views and pictures of Granada. These are the phrasal verbs which I'm going to use today, these ones here. So I'll see you in a little bit, guys. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I left my apartment, walked up the street. This is literally the street next to my apartment. What a view. Ridiculous. Pretty close to La Alhambra. I'll be there shortly, probably about 10 minutes or something. Hey guys. I'm just causing a few traffic problems here at the Alhambra Palace. Trying to start my video. Suddenly a load of cars come around the corner. So basically, one of the first phrasal verbs I was going to tell you about is the break down. Now, to break down is usually when something stops working. So normally when a machine stops working, we say it's broken down. In the past, it has broken. Broken is the past participle, or it broke down past simple. But to break down is the infinitive. And you can use it when you're talking about, for example, cars. So a car can break down. So all these cars up here, I don't think any of those were broken down because they got all the way up to this mountain. But to break down is when something stops working. So a car can break down, for example. Another phrasal verb that was in the top few there was to blow up. To blow up means to cause an explosion. So to blow up, past participle blow is blown, and the past simple is blew. And so we got break down, blow up. Now I can have a little look behind me here. The sun's setting. View over the back there. Hey guys, so it's about 5 minutes later, 10 minutes maybe after my last video, and I'm just trying to get into this place called General Life. I was just speaking to some Spanish girls and they informed me that it's actually pronounced Generalife. So yeah, just found the pathway through from the restaurant. Pretty sick so far. Pretty sick. Let's see what's around the corner. So it's like a 5-minute update again. Just walking in between somewhere called Generalife, as I said earlier. And yeah, it's pretty nice. Waterfall down here. What I didn't show you is actually that I think this up behind me here might be La Alhambra, but I'm not sure. You can see that. Yeah. It might be La Alhambra. The sky's beautiful colour this evening as well. I don't think the sky's ever the same in the camera as opposed to in reality, but absolutely stunning. Gotta love Granada. So, this up behind me here, this is La Alhambra. Just like an old palace. And there we go. Hey guys, it got pretty dark now. I made it to Mirador San Nicolas. It's a really nice little viewpoint. You can look at the Alhambra. You can also look out the city of Granada.